Today, we are building a RAG pipeline on our own data using the SambaNova API key with a low-code approach. No more random code from ChatGPT for data analysis. This is structured, reliable, and repeatable. And the best part, you're not losing your data. It's 100% private and 100% secure. This guide is simple enough that anyone can follow it and create their own AI-powered data analysis agent. Let's dive in and make the world's fastest data analysis agent using SambaNova. Okay, the setup is very low code, and this is the right way to do data analysis using artificial intelligence on your data. So step 1, you have to import all these packages, and if you are using these packages for first time, then you have to install these packages first. Then just ignore unnecessary warnings. Then the step 2 is we have to set up our SambaNova LLM. And I'm going to hardcode API key for this demo purpose, but you can also put your API key inside the environment variable. I'm going to use DeepSeek R1 model, but you can switch to, for example, Llama 3.1, and these all are the list of models which is available in SambaNova platform. So you can pick any model which you are interested. Then step 3, for this demo purpose, I'm just using very simple data, but you can also put your CSV file, Excel file, or even you can directly connect to your database as well. Then we have to convert this data into PandasAI SmartDataframe, and that's it. Now it's time to ask questions on our data using simple natural language prompt. I'm going to ask which country has the highest sales. Okay, I got the reply. The country with the highest sales is Japan. But let's say if I want this answer, let's ask some complex question. Then give me answer in pie chart. Let's say I want response into visualization. I got the response, and let's open that file. And there you have it. Your own data analysis agent is ready using SambaNova API. This method can connect to any data source like databases, CSVs, Excel, you name it. It's time to say goodbye to random ChatGPT code and hello to reliable, secure, low-code AI analysis at your fingerprints. See you in the next video.